Good evening, Ken Long from Tortoise Capital with a review of the swing trading positions for the online swing workshop. Starting with Apple. These are all daily charts. We had our first trade closed out here, framed the trade up with ready to re-enter here with the stop here. We got the entry here. We're in the money. Stop is here. I will look at raising the stop tomorrow to lock in the gains here. Looks to be about an R in hand. Amazon, we're long from Monday. American Express, nothing. We cashed our trade, have not broken out of the range barrier yet. Caterpillar, we're long. Chevron, we have nothing. We closed our trade to here. I'm gonna get long up here above 97. Dollar General, nothing. Still long the Dow Diamonds, looking good, approaching the key support level, resistance level here. Disney, we're still long with a stop here. Dow Chemical remains long from here with our stop here. I'm going to raise that stop up to here. Devon Energy, we're long, had a nice move there. I'll be raising that stop to no lose plus dinner for 2. I'll hold it there below yesterday's low. I'll be watching this intraday. If we start to see a sell-off, I'll run it up and catch the win. Right now, the energy sector, it's getting harder rather than easier. We just got long today in emerging markets here. This was from that last stop, so our stop is here. So we're long from here with a stop here. In Mexico, we cashed one. We cashed the short today. It was going into the Fed. It started rocketing straight up. We just decided to cash a fractional win. Nothing in emerging markets. That was hit. We tightened up our stop over the weekend. We got a really nice closeout trade here of almost 4R. I have not been stalking it since. I wanted to see where it bottoms out. This is one of those where you get the RLCO today, but you miss those 2 days of moves, and that's fine. I want to see where this finds support. This may be the new support level here, and so I may be willing to take that one, especially with the Fed doing what they said. I will probably frame this. I'm going to frame it right now. I'm willing to buy this one on any continuation of momentum with a stop there. South Africa, we got short and then scratched it today as part of the intraday management. Facebook, we're still long from here with a stop here, target here. This was after we had cashed. We had the 1 hour loss in Facebook earlier. We're back into China, long from here with a stop here. Target here. Gold, still long. Oh, we raised our stop here, so it's all right. Correction. Monday's trade. Took us out on the 1, 2, 3. So just stalking gold right now. Google doing well. We're a couple R in hand. I will probably tighten the stop up into here tomorrow. Goldman, nothing. Framed it here and here, but nothing. Looks like closer to getting short than anything. Russell small caps, we took our exit last week. I haven't gotten the breakout from trading range yet. Standing by on that one. On this is real estate. We cashed a nice one here, so we're long from here with a stop here. That's almost 2R in hand. I'm gonna preserve that win. Just waiting on JP Morgan, nothing. Coca-Cola, we had raised our stop to a 2-day low, got cashed here, so nice trade, maybe 0.7R. Low, we're long from here, approaching our target point. I like this recovery, but I'm going to move that stop up into that region tomorrow. McDonald's, we've got to raise our stop again, liking it to here. That's looking good. That dead money finally paid off. Microsoft deep in the money now. We'll move our stop up to here. Nike is in our favor. I'd like to see it get up to the 270. Procter & Gamble, we're underwater a little bit here. This is looking like dead money. Technology, no trade, but looking good, crossed its 270. I like that. S&P continues to march north. I like that. Tesla in great shape. We raised our stop again to a 2nd-day low. We're long from here with an initial stop here, so that's looking like a little over 2. I got to look at adding to that position tomorrow, intraday. United Health, long from here with the initial stop here. Moving to there, we're going to move our stop up to here. You can see oil. We cashed our trade here last week. It's been mucking around in the sideways chop, so I haven't been eagerly chasing the energy sector, just monitoring tech. We've got a double scoop short on VIX. That was a big vote in favor of the upside, so VIX should still be good. We're short from here and a second position here, and we're deep in the money, so we're going to make both of those winners. Verizon, we had raised our stop to here, no lose dinner for 2, and now we're going to move it up to this location. We've got a little over 2.5, almost 3R in Verizon, looking good. Walmart still just stalking it. We cashed our trade from here to here, and now it's kind of been sideways dead money. Win, we cashed our win last week, and now we have re-entered here with a stop here. I'm looking for 102, and then finally metals and mining, we're back in from here with a stop here. We're about 1R in hand. If it can get above this 2020, off it goes. All right, trades are looking pretty good. Continuing to monitor and manage. The long side is still being favorable. There's a couple that are getting along in the tooth that I'll micromanage during the day. But now that we get safely through the Fed, I feel pretty good about this. So, Ken Law from Tortoise Capital. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.